Hello and welcome back to Good at Voice with the Tara Sampson Voice Studio. I'm Tara Sampson and today I will be debunking 3 common myths about the voice. Number 1, potato chips will help your voice feel better. Backstage at many a show, I've heard people say, "Oh, your voice doesn't feel great? Here, just eat some potato chips. The oil will coat your throat." Now, while that salty oil may leave a filmy feeling in the mouth and throat, it in no way affects your vocal folds. Your voice is in an entirely separate tube from your food. That's how we don't choke. Your voice is in the trachea or windpipe, right here in the front of the throat. Your esophagus is a separate tube just behind the trachea, and that is what takes your food and your drinks down into your stomach. This is why we have the phrase, "it went down the wrong pipe," when you accidentally breathe in a little bit of water and need to cough. The nutrients, or lack thereof, of those chips you're eating won't touch any part of your body aside from your stomach until they've been digested. Enjoy the tasty snack, but do so knowing that your voice will see no benefit. Number 2, drinking water immediately hydrates the voice. Again, your esophagus and your trachea are 2 totally separate tubes. I'm all about hydration, so please drink the water. However, it's important to know that the water you drink doesn't actually make it to your voice until hours later. It must first be digested and divvied up throughout your body. This is why it is so important to remain hydrated all the time, not just sipping on water during your voice lesson or backstage at a show. If you want or need immediate superficial hydration, this means the outer membrane of the vocal folds are lubricated. The only way to do this is through steam. That is the only water that we actually breathe in, so it's the only water that comes through our windpipe. Personal steamers are excellent for this. You can get them at CVS, on Amazon, wherever you want. But please know, they do not replace actually drinking water. Drinking water will get you the systemic hydration throughout your whole body, and the steamers will superficially get the outside of the vocal folds hydrated. Number 3, voice rest fixes everything. Voice rest is great when you have an audition or performance coming up and your voice just isn't feeling awesome or doing what you want it to do, but it doesn't actually heal everything 100% of the time. There are only a few vocal injuries that actually require total voice rest, vocal hemorrhage among them. Other vocal injuries can benefit from mild use of the voice with exercises to target restoration and healing. It's hard to know exactly which exercises will be helpful without knowing exactly what the injury or problem is. So please don't just jump in and start doing random vocal exercises. This is the time when you might want to see a voice therapist and talk to your voice teacher to find out what a good plan for your voice should be. For your run-of-the-mill overuse, exhaustion, inflammation that is so common among performers, especially around tech week of performances, lots of physical rest, water, and semi-occluded vocal exercises combined with some gentle restorative spoken and sung exercises will usually do the trick, but will not necessarily prevent the same injury from happening again if you don't address the actual cause of the problem. All right, my friends, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please drop them in the comment section down below. And as always, keep singing.